Hi, we come back again. Yes, this tutorial I show you how to create mass assignment in Laravel. You can see the description how to use the mass assignment. Yes, you may also use the create method. Yes, when you create a method of the model method to show a new model in a single line. The inside model instance will be returned to from the method. However, yes, you will need to specify fallable or guarded attributes on the model. Okay, you can use the mass element. You can use it like this. For example, I go to the student controller. So I want to show is with the measurement. Yes, before we show like this. So for example, if when you use the model, for example, if you want to, you can use like this. Students, insert, yes. Right now I use the measurement, so you can go to the model student and we use the measurements. Yes, for example, practice fallable. Yes, you must write the keyword fallable or guarded we attributes on the model as a one column field, so you can use the fallable. Okay, and then right now we use the array field, for example, first name, last name, and sys IDs. Okay. So right now I go to the use management. For example, I delete here. Yes. Yes, you don't forget to import. Yes, you import the app student model, and then the code you can use student create method. Yes, you can see this is the method methods. For example, create, yes, and then we use request or okay, yes, we just like this mean that we use the shortcuts. So you can go to and I go to the add, yes, if it requires, yes, I submit. So you can see the choose, yes, yeah, when we use like this mean that the field input. For example, if you want to use like this with the error when the mass assignment is not the same in the column fields. For example, go to the insert. Yes. For example, if the input touch first name they are not the same in the column table student. Yes, please wait a minute. Yes, this column is the same. Yes, must the same is with the first name. For example, if I add as a letter, I go to the as letter. For example, what's happened area. Okay, so I add test. Yes, submit. So the error code, yes, you can see the error actual states, general errors, field first name doesn't have a default value actually insert into student last name such. Okay. Yes. As you must know, yes, you must know when we use the mass assignment, you can the form as a form name is equal to the column name in the database. Yes. So you don't forget when we use the assignment. Okay. Right now you go to the on this is the we protected file mass assignment. Okay. This is the protected guard that I showed you already. Guarding attributes. Wow, file serves as a list of attributes that should be mass assignable. You may also choose to use a guard. The guard property should contain arrays of attributes that you do not want to be assignable, or the other attributes not in the array will be mass assignable. So guard function like blacklist. Of course, you should use the variable or guards, not both. Yes, protected guards. Other creation. Yeah, this is the protected guard. Would you like to make or attribute mass assignment? You may define the guard property as empty array. Okay, for example, I copy here, then I go to the case. I just like this, so I go to the again. Yes, see this one. Okay, so it is the same. Yes, because we don't use the first name, last name, say ID, so you can use the protected guard like this. Protected guards blank array. For example, if you use like this, first name, yes, you can see in the protected guard like this. Yes. Okay, you can, for example, I go to the cell first name. Yes. Yes. Let's choose. That's two. So I sell. Yes. The others first name doesn't have a default. Yes. You can don't use first name doesn't have a default. Insert into last name search update. Yes. Okay. Now you can go to the code and you can see first or create, first or creates, first or news, first or new. Or if you want to know, you can go to the Google, for example, google.com. Yes, Laravel should say. Yes. and you can click the Laravel set. You can see just the how to use the artisan as a composer, configuration, routing, RESTful controller. Yes, as a triggering error, route parameter, HTTP verb, secure routes. Yes, sometimes we want to use the secure route like this. Filter, name routes, name prefixing, subdomain routing, apps. Oh, yes, many. So with the database, you can see the database. With the slide, you can see DB slash. Yes, aggregate function, row expression, model. This is the model that you must learn. Yes, first model creates keys to array. First or create array, first or new, update or create. Yes, you can test by yourself. Model destroy. Yes, I show you. If you don't use the mass argument, you can use like this. For example, first name, data. Okay, what's happened when I refresh? Okay, that's to answer. Just undefined variable data. So okay. Yes, you can use like this, but this is the very long. Okay. Oh, so I delete code. I delete student info. Yes, that's two. Okay, you can use the like this. Yes, that is menu that we add or insert into the database using the Laravel with the model, or you can use the DBs. Okay, you can use DBs or VS. But when we use the model, you can create, you can see the method how to create. For example, if you want to insert, yes, you can go to the laravel.com and you can see scroll down. Yes, deleting model you can use like this. Okay, right now I want to delete the model, so I go to the, for example, delete. Okay, you can use like this to then destroy. Yes, if you use the ID like this, for example, student IDs or like this, mean that you cannot use the method destroy. Yeah, you must use the protected. As you must protected the student IDs, because if you the table there is no the ID. Yes, you can use the row that I create so for you before. Okay, right now is the table student is ID. So as a request, yes, yes. Right now I go to the list. Okay, so I press and then I click. Okay, what's happened? Oh, okay, yes. The list is the same, so you can go to see more deleting, or you can find and then delete. Yes, for example, when we destroy and student fine, yeah, you can see the methods find as request id, and then student does delete. Okay, you can see the method like this. Okay, I refresh again, so I did it here. Okay, so it is the same. One more, if you want to delete existing model by key, for example, apps destroy 1, destroy 2, destroy 3. Okay, for example, if I want to check the box and then I delete, how to use it? Yes, so you can go to with me, for example, I shouldn't destroy. Okay, destroy, and then we use array. I want to delete, for example, I to see the key student ID 10 and student ID 3. Yes, for example, I delete two student ID 10 and 3. So mean that when you click delete URL, delete 2. Okay, okay, you can see the delete, but we want to use the checkbox. Yes, to checkbox to delete. For example, I go to the student in touch. Okay, and then I want to import td checkbox and use id array name. Yes, okay, we use the array value. Okay, okay, dot id. Okay, so you can see the checkbox. Yes, when I check, I want to delete when with the checkbox. Okay, so you can create a form. For example, I create a form name. Okay, measures action mati yes mati delete. Okay, okay, I go to the student controller again and I use function mati delete. Okay, okay, and use this is the delete one by one when we take the button delete. Yes, I used as request. Yes. Student destroy. Okay, you can yes, we use the array ID. Yes, I go to the C. This is the hidden. Okay, the name it is the same. Yeah, the name is the same. Yes, I just like this one more, so I run again. Okay, this is a field. CSRF field. Oh, okay, I refresh again, and I need one by one, so the delete it. Okay, so right now I want to check with the multi delete. Okay, so you can just like this. Okay, so return base. Okay, copy here, go to the web, browse, push, multi delete. Okay, right now we copy here, go to the in touch and pass here. Yes, right now you can use the form here, voice. Okay, right now I want to test, for example, then request ID. Yes, yes, I check, or I import the delete all. As you can default. Check. Okay, so I check bar and I delete. Yes, you can see the array one pass here. Okay, so I go to the backend. Okay, so yes, it is not right, so I go to check the code. Teach. Yes, I do check it and touch. Arrays. Okay, sure. Yeah, I'm sorry. I add the input types. Yes, the value here. ID or name. Smart IDs. Okay, and it be this. Okay, so I go to the student again and pass here. Okay, refresh and I click check the list. So delete. So I add the tree to student dash one. Watch. Mouse. Watch. Yes. Okay. Dash one. Dash two. Dash three. Okay, so now I want to check box. Yes, and then I want to delete two records because I don't use the delete here. So I go to the in Dutch. I don't want to use like this. Okay, so I want to check two, and then I delete. Yeah, you can see the with the checkbox that deleted successful. Okay, I go to and I use it to design form. Yes. Just add more. Okay, you can click the delete one by one, or you can with the checkbox. Okay, for example, when I check the tree, delete all from the records in from database. Yes, yes. I just finished how to create tutorial with the mass assignment the Laravel 5.5, and thank you all the people that watching my video. Yes, don't forget to subscribe, like, share on, and especially comment on my video. Yeah, and I'm sorry my English is is not very poor. Yes, I am very poor English. Yes, goodbye. Goodbye.